Hello everybody, it is Safety Security Alert here today once again, and today we're going to have another Fire.lite MS-4 demo system test. So we're going to go ahead and get started, but as you can see the FCI system is right there, is down, and the FCI panel is just sitting right down there for right now, but yeah, it didn't end up fully selling, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, there's the MS-4, it has no troubles, the batteries down there are connected. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and go over the devices. Right here we have my Notifier NBG12LX. And yes, this is an LX and it's addressable. This is a conventional panel. So what I did was I just bypassed the module. But instead of putting the wires in where it goes through the module then to the switch, I bypassed the module. So the terminals I moved and it just goes straight to the switch. That's how you can do that. You cannot do that in a commercial building because it won't be up to code, but I can do it. Here's my Notifier LNG1R pull station, and yeah. So we're going to go up here. We have the System Sensor 5604 heat detector. We have a System Sensor 2400 smoke in the middle, and a System Sensor i3 smoke detector. And for notification appliance, we have a System Sensor low frequency sounder. I kind of forgot the model. This is an HWLF, I just looked in the back of it. And yeah, so this used to be SCR Safety's. If you haven't, go ahead and check out his eBay account and YouTube channel. So yeah. And up here we have a Cerberus Pyrotronics remote strobe. And this is a rebrand single game wheel lock strobe. So that's basically the whole system. And we'll go ahead and I will show you the inside of the panel real quick. Open this up. As you can see, I redo this a lot. NAC2 is not really being used, it's just the wires on the back resistored off. Zone 1 is this and this, the two on the end. Zone 2 is this detector here. Zone 3 is these two poles, and Zone 4 is not being used. And I just did that because Zone 4 will be used for something else. And once again, I do like to change those things out a lot. So, that horn right there is set to code 3 in there. And low frequency sounders are for people that have hearing problems and it helps them wake up faster. So we're going to go ahead and set this off. So we're going to start by pulling the BG12LX pull station. So there will be no audible silence because I have it set that way. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's pretty loud. So as you can see, it says Zone 3 was activated. And yeah, so we're gonna reset that real quick. And you don't have to flip the switch. A lot of people think that you do, but these pull stations are automatic reset. You just open and shut it. So now we're going to go ahead and test the System Sensor i3 smoke detector. So I will go ahead and grab a little screwdriver right here. And I'm going to go ahead and poke the test switch. So now that is silenced. And now I'm going to go ahead and do that detector in the middle. And I'm not going to do the heat detector, obviously, because that's a fixed heat detector and it will permanently activate. So I'm going to do the smoke in the middle. And now we're going to give the panel a reset. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull the Notifier LNG1R pull station. And this pull station, the NBG12LX, both take the same key because they're both the same company. They're Notifier. So we're going to go ahead and pull this. In 3, 2, 1. Zone 3 once again. And now I'm going to give the pull station a reset. We're going to push it up, and once we reset, it'll push that button in. And then turn the key and close it. There you go. And we will Bring this camera back up. Go to our main fire alarm control panel. And we're going to press the reset key. There you go. And close that. And that's about it for the fire alarm test. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a supervision test, which is basically just I'm going to try removing devices and seeing if that zone or NAC will go into trouble, which it should if you have the end-of-line resistor on the end of that circuit. If you watched my video on how to wire this system, you should know how to do that. So I will go ahead and remove the smoke if somebody steals it. And it should go into trouble, telling us right there that somebody has taken it. It says system trouble zone 1, which is that detector. Open our open our panel and then press acknowledge. Just like that. And then once the trouble is fixed, it will go away on its own. As you can see up in there, there is an end-of-line resistor. And we'll put that back, and it went back to normal. So yeah. Now we're going to also try the NAC supervision, and we're going to take the system sensor low frequency sounder off of its base. So I'm going to use a screwdriver, simply unscrew that, and then pull it off. Same thing happens. As you can see, it says system trouble NAC fault. It does not say exactly which NAC it was because there's only 2 NACs. And as you can see in there, there is actually no end-of-line resistor. It is in the top device because this is the first device on the circuit and the wires jump to this one. This is the last device on the circuit which has the resistor, and it will supervise all the devices. And now we're going to go ahead and correct this problem. Put the unit back on and screw the screw back in, and as you can see, it went away. So yeah, there you go. So thank you guys so much for watching this system test. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There will not be any more home system tests for a while, but unfortunately, because I'm doing some upgrades. But there will be some more home fire drills, and expect one coming pretty soon. So enjoy that. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. See you guys.